The average American family spends $1,200 a month on groceries. I'm about to show you how to make meals for under 20 bucks total. But first, if grocery prices are driving you crazy, smash that like button because we're about to beat inflation together. Think one $3 bag of potatoes can't make amazing meals? Well, watch this. I'm turning this humble ingredient into 4 delicious filling dishes. Crispy wedges, loaded baked potatoes, a breakfast hash, and a delicious shepherd's pie. All for under $20 total. Whether you're a college student living on ramen, on a tight budget trying to feed a family, or just tired of choosing between paying rent or eating well, this video is for you. I'm Rosa, and I help people eat amazing plant-based meals without breaking the bank. This 5-pound bag of potatoes costs about $3 at any grocery store. Combined with pantry staples you already have, we're making hearty meals that cost less than $20 total. That's an incredible value for hearty, filling, delicious food. Hit subscribe and the bell if you want more money-saving recipe hacks every week. Trust me, with food prices in 2025, you'll want these tips in your back pocket. Before we dive into our 4 russet potato meals, let me show you the proper technique that works for any potato variety. Whether you're using russets, Yukon Gold like these, or any other type, the foundation is the same: proper washing and peeling. I always scrub thoroughly under cold water to remove dirt and debris. This technique works identically regardless of potato type. For our recipes ahead, I use russets, but this same careful prep approach applies to whatever potato you have on hand. Now let's transform these simple ingredients into something amazing. First up, let's talk about restaurants charging $8 for potato wedges. No, that's crazy. These are crispier and cost under $2 for a whole family. Here's the restaurant secret they don't want you to know. Soaking potatoes remove excess starch for maximum crispiness. Don't skip this step. Instead of buying $4 dipping sauces, let me show you 3 quick ones using stuff you probably already have. Fancy aioli, healthy ranch, cheesy dipping sauce. What's your favorite dipping sauce? Let me know in the comments. I might steal your idea for the next video. Meal 2. These loaded potatoes beats any burrito bowl for taste and price. Let me show you the perfect baking technique that gets restaurant quality results at home. The key is immediate cutting and fluffing. That steam creates the perfect fluffy texture that soaks up all our toppings. Here's where it gets fun. I'm setting up a DIY topping bar because customization is everything. How would you top yours? I love seeing everyone's creative combinations in the comments. Seriously, drop your potato emoji in the comments so I can know you're still with me. And while you're at it, smash that like button. It literally costs nothing, but it helps reach so many people who need these money-saving tips. Because meals 3 and 4 are about to blow your mind, including a shepherd's pie that converts even the most skeptical meat eaters. Meal 3 is my ultimate crowd pleaser, potato hash. It can be used for breakfast, lunch, dinner, or even meal prep. College students, busy parents, or anyone who needs filling food fast. Pro tip, parboil your potatoes first. This will ensure a crispy outside and a fluffy inside every single time. I make double batches because this reheats perfectly. Use it in breakfast burritos, lunch bowls, or just eat it straight up with hot sauce. If you're loving these budget-friendly meals, you'll definitely want to check out my brand new Plant Some Pennies meal plan. It's packed with affordable, delicious recipes just like these, all for under $5 total. I break down the cost, give you meal prep tips, and even show you how to turn leftovers into brand new meals so nothing goes to waste. You can grab it right now through the link below and start saving money while eating plant-based. Finally, the crown jewel. This shepherd pie has literally converted entire families to eat more plant-based. Here's my twist to make it taste like the traditional version. I use TVP, textured vegetable protein. It gives us that hearty, satisfying texture that makes this feel more indulgent. Pro tip for busy people: assemble this the night before and pop it in the oven when you get home. The future you will send thank you texts. Whether you're plant-based, flexitarian, or just trying to save money without eating boring food, these recipes prove that good food doesn't require a big budget. But here's what I need from you right now. 3 things. First, hit that like button if this helped you see potatoes differently. It costs you nothing, but it helps this video reach families who really need these tips. Second, subscribe and ring the bell. I'm dropping money-saving recipes every week. And with 2025 grocery prices rising, you'll want these hacks. And 3, share this with someone who's struggling with food costs. Your college kid, your neighbor, or anyone who needs to know that eating well doesn't have to be expensive. Your homework? Pick one of these 4 meals and make it this week. Then come back and tell me which one surprised you most. I read every comment and I love hearing your wins. And next week, I'm showing you how to make an entire week of dinners for under 20 bucks, including desserts. You won't want to miss that budget breakdown. For more money-saving recipe hacks, check out my playlist right here. Until next time, keep cooking smart and saving money. Bye for now.